Hi guys, we're launching a program for CAT 21 and CET 21-22. In case you want to join, just call the numbers here for books, mocks or the complete program. This Monday, I'm going to launch the new batch, which is tomorrow we're launching our new batch. So today I want to pick up a college which have one of the best ROIs. Fees for the college is only 25 lakhs, 25,000 sorry, not 25 lakhs, 25,000 and average salary is touching 12 lakhs. So you can imagine here you are getting the one of the best ROIs in the country. Male female ratio 69% male to 31% female. Freshers 62%, which is among the highest among any college. 11 months of work 6%, 12 to 23 12%, 24 to 36 13%, 36 plus 7% of the batch. Yeah. Engineers is less than 50%, 50 less than 60%, 58%. Business analyst arts is maximum 10%, commerce 10%, science and business is approximately 5% from the academic background. So we have less number of engineers because they're giving extra marks to all the non-engineers to apply and extra marks to girls as well. So we have this average salary here. So average is 11.97, which is almost 12 lakh a package. Top 50% of the batch have got 15.4 lakhs, top 25% 16 lakhs and top 15% 17 lakhs. Now if you compare this with, this can be easily compared with all the main new IIMs, at least new and baby IIMs के equal है. IMT Ghaziabad, yeah, all these colleges are at par. IMI, but because the fees advantage is the best advantage, I want you to apply there. 36% of the batch have gone to the Fortune 500 companies, highest 21.5 lakhs. Small trivia here, maximum stipend in summer internship is 2 lakhs, average stipend is 59,000, median 50,000. So you are able to recover your 2 years of your MBA fees only by in your stipend, only during the summer internship. That's the best part of the college you can have. Any guess which college we're talking about? So we are talking about Delhi University's MBA BE Business Economics, MBA in Business Economics. Yeah, Department of Business Education. Now come the main question कि यार ये तो business economics है. I want to do normal MBA. यार this is MBA in Business Economics, where 10% of the batch have got placed in market research, 14% in marketing, 14% consumer service, 20% IT, 6% energy, 10% analytics, 7% consulting, 19% banking. You can see every domain is coming on campus, so which makes it a good choice to apply for. So placement wise, you're going to be placed everywhere. It's not like it's only for economics. You will get the placement everywhere. In fact, Calvin Klein is also coming on campus, Tommy Hilfiger, RBL Bank. So you can apply. So guys, we're launching our program for CAT 21 and all the non-CAT exams as well, CET. So in case you want to apply, you can just call us on the numbers given here in case you want to join a program for CAT 21. Look at the eligibility criteria now. So minimum eligibility criteria, you need to be 50% marks in graduation. This is common for MBA Finance and their BE program. Yeah, you need to have 10 plus 3, 10 plus 12 plus 3 program will do with at least 50% marks from any university, from the University of Delhi or any university in India. Okay. With maths or business mathematics as 12th level. So that's a compulsory rule. You have to have maths at 12th level. So BCom, BA, everyone can apply. Female candidates will get some extra weightage and undergraduates will get some extra weightage. Non-engineers will get the extra weightage. CAT percentile 70%, marks obtained in 10th 10%, for 12th 7.5%, only for maths 2.5%, sorry 7.5 and 2%, female 5% weightage and non-engineers 5% weightage. So if you're a non-engineer, you'll get 10% extra marks, non-engineer girl. Yeah, for the selection, for the call, for the final selection. So we have the final breakup here. CAT weightage is 57%, 10 12th 10%, GD 7.5. Now instead of GD they might be doing something else, we have to see that. Person interview 20% weightage, female candidate 2.5, and your non-engineers 2.5. There is no marks for work experience otherwise. So this is on this basis you will be converting the call. Yeah, this is for converting the call, and this was to get the call. This is how to get the call. Yep. Step 1, get the call. Step 2 will convert the call. Now let's look at the cutoffs here. So cutoff for DFS, sectional cutoff is 70 percentile. You need to get minimum 70 percentile in each of the section. For general category, the cutoff can be anything between 97 to 98 percentile. It can go low as well. So plus minus 2. So if you are at 95, 96 percentile plus, 96 plus, you can apply. ना मेरे को व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज किया था, सर मेरा 75 है, मैं अप्लाई करूँ क्या? अरे भाई 75 पे कैसे कॉल आएगा यार? 96 वाला अप्लाई कर सकता है, ठीक है, बिकॉज 97 to 98 विल बी द कट ऑफ. फॉर OBC it would be around 88 to 90. See why the cutoff is high? Because ये सीटें कम है ना यार, सीटें कुछ है ही नहीं तो वे कहाँ से लेगा वो, इतने कॉल क्यों देगा वो? या फॉर SC 75 approximately, and ST 60 percentile. So 60 to 65, 70 to 70 to 75, that should be a tentative cutoff. 75 to 80, sorry, 88 to 90. If you are in that range, you can apply. So today is the last day to apply. So in case you want to apply, 10th of January, today is the last day to apply. See, I'm going to give you the complete detail. करना है नहीं करना है आप decide करो. If you're able to clear the cutoff, please do apply.